A note for each doctor, each patient, each protocol, each incident. Every one of them fine on its own. None of them knows the others exist. Plexon reads them and works out what connects to what. Here it is on a whole clinic. A clinic keeps notes on its doctors, on its patients, on the protocols they follow, and on every incident worth writing down. Here is one no single note answers. The medication change is in an incident note. What has to happen next is in the clinic rulebook, and that one never mentions him. Ask it anyway. It goes and reads them. The rule it has to follow, and the pharmacist who applies it. And underneath, the notes it read to get there. When the answer is not the one you wanted, say so. Not a rating, a correction, in your own words. That becomes a note of its own, and Plexon reads it before every answer from here on. Everything it knows sits in one place, and you can open it. Every person, every protocol, every incident, and every line between them. None of this was drawn by hand. The clinic sits in the middle because more notes mention it than mention anything else. Click it, and everything more than one hop away steps back. A general practitioner. He works at the clinic, he reports to the medical director, and he was the prescriber in one of the incidents. Under every fact is the file it came from, the line number, and the date. None of this is the model remembering. It is a citation. His patient carries the clinic-wide rules as well, and neither of those two notes mentions the other. The protocol that got replaced is still here, struck through and pointing at the version that replaced it. Contradictions get shown, not deleted. Close it. Start new chat. Nothing open, nothing on screen, no idea what you were doing a minute ago. Control K from anywhere in the app, including here. The palette indexes the graph itself. Type a name, and it offers you the person and the facts about them. Pick the fact, and it opens the graph on that person, with everything further away folded behind a breadcrumb. The graph has its own assistant in the same panel. Tell it something new in plain words. There is no syntax to learn and no form to fill in. It works out which note that belongs in. It writes markdown, the same markdown you could have typed yourself. And the canvas redraws underneath with a new link in place. Nothing reopened, nothing rebuilt by hand. None of this is a database. Switch to files, and it is the same memory as a list of markdown. Every note has a name, a size, and a date you can check. Front matter, a few lines of prose, and a relations block. That block is the whole graph. Delete the file, and its facts go with it. Your notes, connected on your own machine. Your notes, connected and never off your machine. Get the app at plexon.ai.